Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Saponification is the alkaline hydrolysis of esters, specifically triglycerides, fats and oils, using a strong base like NaOH. Reasoning: the reactant shown is a triglyceride, a glycerol molecule esterified with 3 fatty acid chains, R2R3 attached via ester linkages, OCOR. When a triglyceride reacts with 3 moles of NaOH, the ester bonds are hydrolyzed. Each ester bond -OCOR is cleaved. The fatty acid portions combine with Na+ to form sodium salts of fatty acids, soaps, and the glycerol backbone is released as a free molecule. The glycerol backbone is CH2 or CH or CH2 or, which is glycerol, propane 1,2,3 triol. Step by step. 1. Identify the reactant, a triglyceride with 3 ester bonds. 2. NaOH, 3 moles, cleaves all 3 ester bonds via saponification. 3. Products, 3 moles of soap, RCONA, R2CONA, R3CONA, plus 1 mole of glycerol. 4. Therefore, product A is equal to glycerol. Why other options fail? A. Ethylene glycol is a diol, 2 carbons, not produced from triglyceride hydrolysis. C. Glyceryl trinitrate is formed by nitration of glycerol with HNO3H2SO4, not by saponification. D. Cumene hydrogen peroxide is produced by oxidation of cumene, completely unrelated to this reaction. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.